Hey beauty enthusiasts, ready to master the ultimate smoky eye? Whether you're prepping for a glam night out or just want to elevate your daily look, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need an eyeshadow primer, light brown or neutral eyeshadow, medium gray or taupe eyeshadow, dark gray or black eyeshadow, black eyeliner, mascara, and your trusty eye makeup brushes. Don't forget makeup remover and cotton pads for any necessary cleanups. Alright, time to prepare those lids. Start by priming your eyelids with an eyeshadow primer. This step is crucial for making sure your eyeshadow stays put all day. Next, apply a light brown or neutral eyeshadow all over your lid, from lash line to crease. This will be our base color. Now let's start creating that smoky effect. Grab your fluffy brush and swirl it into a medium gray or taupe eyeshadow. Apply this transition color to the crease, starting from the outer corner and working your way inwards. Blend well to avoid any harsh lines. Next, using an angled brush, apply a dark gray or black eyeshadow to the outer corner of the crease. Blend, blend, blend. We want a soft gradient effect. For extra depth, use a small brush to dab more of the crease color onto the outer corner and blend again. Time for eyeliner. Line your upper lash line with a black eyeliner, creating a soft, subtle wing at the outer corner. This adds that extra touch of drama to our smoky look. Now, let's give some love to those lashes. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes, ensuring they're well coated and voluminous. For cleanup, use makeup remover and cotton pads to erase any excess eyeshadow or eyeliner. Don't forget to apply concealer to cover any imperfections and brighten the under eye area. Here are a few tips and variations. For a softer look, opt for lighter shades. If you're feeling bold, go for darker shades. Add a touch of shimmer or glitter eyeshadow to the lid or inner corner for some extra sparkle. And experiment with different eyeliner styles like a cat eye or double line to switch things up. Common mistakes to avoid? Harsh lines or uneven blending can ruin the look, so take your time to blend everything seamlessly. Skipping primer? Don't. It can lead to creasing or fading. And be careful with your eyeliner aim for a balanced, even line. Want to try some smoky eye variations? Go for a classic smoky eye with black, gray, and white shades. Or opt for a brown smoky eye using earth tones. Feeling fancy? A gold smoky eye with shimmery golds and bronzes is stunning. And for a softer vibe, pastel shades can create a beautiful, soft smoky eye. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different techniques and products to find your signature smoky eye look. Thanks for watching and happy blending!